Hey everyone, I have another OCC unboxing. Today this one is for a boy in the 2 to 4 age range, and it is a fire truck theme. Now this one is one of my favorite 2 to 4 boys this year. I also did a train theme that I will link up in the corner and also in the description box below. It was a train theme for a 2 to 4 year old boy, and these two, the fire truck and the train theme, are my favorite this year for that age category. So anyways, he has one of these bendy folders that I'll be putting at the top. He has his notebook, and then he has this activity where he can cut out the fire truck parts, and then there's an example here of how he can glue the fire truck together and make his own fire truck. Coloring pages. Of course, I had to add a Dalmatian dog. And then he has a number trace working chart, a couple of them. And then this one's so cute with the little dog riding in the fire truck. Another activity where he can color, cut, and paste to make a fire truck. A fire truck maze. And then another fire truck picture that he can color. All right, and so we'll get into the box now. He has a bandana. Now, his primary color is red, but I did add a splash of blue. Do you get it? Because firefighters fight fire with water. So I did add some water blue elements. So he has his toothbrush, his pencil pouch. Inside he has his blue scissors. And then I cut out a few little pieces for him to glue. Now this isn't a fire truck, but I thought it was really cute with the little Santa. It is a red truck. A few of these stickers. And then these are the directions to his wow item. Inside of his pouch, he has an eraser, pencil sharpener, a cute little red airplane eraser, 2 pipsqueak markers, he has these cute fire truck stickers that are also lightly scented. These are really cute. I found these at Chapters in their little clearance section. And then he has a chubby Stettler pencil. These are the pencils that I use with my son. And then he has 1, 2, 3 fun little pencils, and then a regular one, and another baseball fun pencil. And that's everything inside of his pouch. And then at the top he has his soap saver that I will be adding soap into. Inside I just put some Band-Aids in here. And my neighbors have just started mowing their lawn, but I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to keep going with this unboxing. Maybe you can't even hear it. I hope so. He has his little sack of 24 Crayola crayons and a chubby glue stick to go with his fire truck activity. Here is his sweet little Dalmatian dog to go with his fire truck theme. He has a red whistle. He has a pair of boxer briefs here. I like this style because they just, give more coverage. And then he has another pair of boxer briefs. These are Carter's. I found these online on sale. So I like to check out Carter's online for their sales. These are great. Cute with the little fire trucks on them. He has one of these balls. I really like these for the toddlers. They're like baseball training balls. And then his wow item. I found this last year at my Dollarama for $4. And I believe it retailed at 10 or 12. So I just tried to use every space that I could. He has a washcloth in here, and then a pair of these really cute Firetruck socks. I think the other one is in there somewhere, but they have grippies. And this is his little Ryan toy. He can also go inside of here. And I like that this toy doesn't require batteries. And somewhere he has little water cannons that he can shoot out of the ladder. So I really like that for him. Here is the other little Firetruck sock. He has a little car, Matchbox car. He has his flip-flops that I found at Joe Fresh or Superstore. I think they were $1.98, and they have little dinosaurs on them. And it's more of that splash of blue to represent the water. Here is his little compact mirror. Goes with his Dalmatian. He has a tote bag. And this is a tote bag from Walmart. Back a while I couldn't find my giant tiger tote bag, so I just bought one of these from Walmart. I love what it says. I think it's Canadiana, but I call it Canadiana. So, but it's a little representation of Canada. He has a little PJ set. Now I found this the same time that I found the underwear. It was on clearance for $5. It's a size 3T, and I believe that's why it was clearance, because they only had 3T left. But again, it's a PJ, so it's very stretchy. And then the bottoms to his PJ, these seem like a good size. He has another toothbrush. Sometimes I like to add in an adult size toothbrush as well. Perhaps his mom or dad could use one. And then at the very end, bottom of the box, he has one of these flashy The Fire Engine books. These are great. These are normally $9.99, but I found it for $4 at Dollarama. If you saw my train box, I had this same book, except it was a train one. And it makes a realistic fire truck sound. So he can push this button and hear it. So I think it's nice when you can add in something that the child can hear. So it's just a story about Flashy the fire engine. He's called to an emergency, but when Flashy gets to the farm, he realizes that it was a false alarm. So thank goodness there wasn't an actual fire. So I like this little story of the fire engine. And then I have this 80-page sketch pad. He could use his stickers or just his crayons. And there is his bandana. And that is my shoebox for a boy 2 to 4 with a fire truck theme. Oh, and here is I couldn't remember where I put the water cannons, but I put them inside here so that they wouldn't get lost. So he has 2 fire cannons to play with in his fire truck, and that's why I included the instructions, because it shows how he can use them for his toy. So that's where they are. Alright, so thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this fire truck theme. I would love to hear from you down below, and until next time, bye for now.